Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you all?
Fine.
Fine. Okay. Happy to see you all on the screen. Usually we see face to face when you are in school, but here you are on the screen. So I'm happy to see everyone. Nobody has switched off your video. Very good.
Thank
So
you, ma'am.
remain as it is till the end of the session. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Have you all completed the notes of the first chapter, Hanuman and I?
Yes.
Yes.
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have any doubts?
No.
Somebody is talking there. Who is that? Children, when you come to attend the class, you have to communicate only with me, not to anybody else. Okay. If some kind of disturbance is going on, please mute. So do you have any doubts regarding the first chapter?
No, ma'am.
No. All right. So I hope all of you have downloaded the notes from our website and have neatly written into your notes and filed it ready for submission. Okay. Anyone else to do that? All have done. Very good. So today we are moving to the second chapter. Can you guess whether it's a story or a poem? What are we going to learn today? Is it a story or a poem?
Poem.
Poem. How many of you wants to learn poem?
Sahabani.
Only one. Only one wants to learn poem.
Only
Rest all
Sahabani.
wants to learn story. Okay, one or two, very few. So I'll go with the majority. We'll be dealing with another story. Okay, very interesting story today. And the title of our story is The Outlaws Report. Title of our story is The Outlaws Report. Before we move into the story, we have to get to know about the author. So keep your textbook closed. Okay, everyone, please keep your textbook closed. We will deal with the author before we move into the story. So, do you have any idea who is the author of our story?
No, ma'am.
No, no idea. Okay, fine. Going to show you the picture of the author. Yes. The title is The Outlaws Report. The Outlaws Report by Richmal Crompton. Crompton. Richmal Crompton. That is the author. Have you heard this name before? Richmal Crompton? No.
No, ma'am.
This is very new to you. Okay. Can you make a guesswork to which nation she belongs? Is she an Indian writer or an American writer or a British writer? What do you think by hearing the name?
American.
American?
British.
Okay, it's a guesswork. So I don't mind. Whatever that comes to your mind, you can say. Yes, the writer is
I'm English writer.
from England. She's a British writer. Okay, she's an English writer. And the author is, of course, a female, Richmal Crompton. When you hear the name Richmal Crompton, you may have a doubt whether the person is male or female. The author of a story, The Outlaws Report, is a female. Okay, so I'm going to give you a few details about the author. You can write it down in your notebook and you can use it for later reference. So, Richmal Crompton, her full name is, full name of the author, Richmal Crompton Lambourne. Richmal Crompton Lambourne. This is the full name of the author, Richmal Crompton Lambourne. Children, can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you able to see what I'm writing?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, we can zoom the screen. We can zoom the screen.
Okay, okay, fine. Her pen name is Richmal Crompton. The author is known as Richmal Crompton by her pen name. The full name is Richmal Crompton Lambourne. She was born on 15th November 1890 in Bury, Lancashire, in England, okay, in UK.
No, she's living.
No, she's not living. She died. She died at the age of 78. She died on 11th January 1969. She was educated from the school. She got education from the school St. Elphine's boarding school. And later on, in order to pursue her career as a teacher, she went to a college named Royal Holloway College, which was the part of London University. Royal Holloway College. And she won the scholarship and she went to attend the college to pursue her degree. Okay? Children, are you all noting down?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can I move the screen a bit?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. And she is famous for her works known as Just William. Famous work includes Just William series. In fact, she has written 39 books with the name Just William. Okay, it's a series of books. Just William series means many number of books have been titled with the character's name, William. 39 books she has written. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, I'm going to show you the picture of the author, Richmal Crompton. So, you will be able to remember her very clearly when you read through the chapter. Okay. I will share the screen soon for you. The easy board is getting loaded. So please wait for a second. You can have a look at the images of the author, Richmal Crompton. Okay. Yes. Children, can you see the image?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is our author, Richmal Crompton. This was a picture which is given on the biography of the author. Okay, this picture was given on the biography of hers. This is another picture when she was just 18 years old. Okay, very beautiful lady. Don't you agree?
Yeah.
Another picture of Richmal Crompton. This is the picture when she has become old. Again. Okay, so just try to keep this image in your mind. The lady behind the series of books called Just William. Yes?
Ma'am,
Yes?
it is stuck, ma'am.
Are you not able to see? I'm moving the screen one by one.
No.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes, somebody has got some connection problem. That is why. Okay, so I'll just show you once again. This was the image given on the biography of hers. And this is a picture when she was just 18 years old. And these are other images. Okay, images when she got old. So she died at the age of 78. Here we have a short, quick facts about Richmal Crompton. Akash, can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Just read it.
Which occupation?
Yes.
Teacher, novelist, short story writer.
Can you see the upper part?
Born 15
Yes.
November
Born on
1890.
15th November 1890.
90. Bury,
Yes.
Lancashire, England.
Bury, Lancashire in England.
Dead.
Okay. Next.
Died 11 January 1960.
Yes.
Aged 78.
Died on 11th January 1969 at the age of 78.
Farnborough
Farnborough Hospital, Bromley.
Bromley.
Yes.
Penne,
Mm.
Richmal Crompton.
Yes. Richmal Crompton is the pen name. What is her full name?
Richmal Crompton Labour.
Yes. Richmal Crompton Lambert. Yes. Very good.
Occupation, teacher,
National. Yes. Occupation.
teacher, novelist, short story writer.
Yes. She has worked as a teacher, as a novelist, and a short story writer.
Nationality, English.
Hmm. English. Yes. She
Period,
belongs to England. She is an English writer. Hmm.
period 1919 to 1969.
Yes.
Genre, children's
It's not
literature.
genre, it's genre. Genre means different kinds of literary works. Genre. Children's literature,
Novels, short story,
novels, short
short story,
stories, inspiring. Hmm. Notable works?
Notable were Just William.
Yes. Just William. That is the most notable work written by Richmal Crompton. How many series of books she has written?
39.
Yes, she has written 39 series of books. Okay, so I'm going to give you the titles of few books that she has written. You can note it down. Somebody is making some sound here. Hmm? Who is that? Who is making that sound? Just a minute. Okay. So just take down the title of her books. As I told you, she has written 39 books with the title Just William. William is a central character in her story. William. Okay, the first one is Just William. The second one, More William. These are all titles of her books. Okay, Just William, More William. The third, William Again. Then
I will write this book on writing. No down.
yes, you can note down some of the names. I'm not giving you the 39 names of the title, but I'm giving you few. Okay, so you can note it down. Still William. Then William the Bold. William the Conqueror. So when you look at the title, what do you find common in all these titles?
William.
Yes, very good. William. The name is common in all the title. Whom do you think William is? Can anyone guess?
Main character.
Yes, of course, William is main character.
Small boy.
Very good, very good. He is a small boy. So just take down quickly these examples. The title of her books: Just William, More William, William Again, Still William, William the Bold, William the Conqueror, Just William Holiday, Just William on Holiday. Then William the Fourth, William in Trouble, William the Good, many works. So similarly, with the similar name, with the similar kind of title, the author has written 39 books. And the story which we are going to deal with today is titled as The Outlaw's Report. That is a part of the story taken from her book, William the Outlaw. Okay. The story which we are going to learn, The Outlaw's Report, is taken from the book, William the Outlaw. Understood? So, as you told, William is a small boy. He is an 11-year-old boy. William is an 11-year-old schoolboy. And he, along with his friends, Ginger, Henry, and Douglas. So, how many are there? How many are there in total? How many children are there in total? Four children. What are their names? William, Ginger, Henry, Douglas. Okay. William, Ginger, Henry, Douglas. So these are the names of the four main characters. And the leader of the gang is William. William is said to be the leader of the gang. Okay. So I'm going to show you a few more pictures, the cover pages of the cover page of our, just a minute. Yes. The cover page of the books written by Richmal Crompton. It's getting loaded. Children, can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am, I can't see the book.
No?
No.
You can't see?
No, ma'am.
No.
Okay, fine.
No, ma'am.
One second. I hope you can see now. Yes, can you see it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So these are the points that we discussed already. Richmal Crompton Lampoon is a popular English writer who is best known for Just William series and humorous short story. This is an image of a pub in England named after the author Richmal Crompton. Can you see the series of books here?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Many number of books have collected together and kept with the same title, Just William. So William, the main character, is portrayed in almost all the books. Yes, this is a cover page of Just William. The cover page of the book,
This is
Just
animated.
William. Yes?
This is animated. No.
The drawing might be animated, but I'm just showing you the cover page. Okay, so this book is considered as the first book of the series of 39 books. She has written 39 books in total, and this is considered as the first book in that entire series.
Mamanda on this written first ever William book.
Yes, first book. And all these books are basically written for children. It comes under the category of children's literature. And it is a fiction also. What do you mean by fiction? Have you heard this term before, fiction?
Series.
Any idea what is fiction? Aaron? Somebody is making sound there. Please mute. Please mute. Children, only for responding you can unmute. Okay, otherwise a lot of sound is coming through. What is meant by fiction? Fiction means unreal. So the stories written by her are of course imaginary stories, unreal stories, fictional ones. But it is mainly written for children. That is why it comes under the category of children's literature. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now this is another cover page of Just William series, William the Conqueror. This is another cover page, more William. Okay. All right. So I hope you have got a little bit of idea about Richmal Crompton. Who is Richmal Crompton? I think I can ask. Noor Haya? Who is Richmal Crompton?
Richmal Crompton is a famous English writer, novelist.
Yes, good. Emmanuel, baby, can you give me some titles of Crompton's work? Emmanuel.
She will write books.
No, title. I need the title of Crompton's work.
Will
Just William.
Gopika?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you give me some titles of the
Just
work by
William.
Richmond
William
Crompton?
again.
Yes, William.
William the Conqueror.
William the Conqueror.
William the Bold.
William the?
Bold.
William the Bold.
Still William.
Still William.
William the Outlaw.
Okay. Okay, good. Anna Binu? What is the genre of Richmal Crompton's work? What kind of books she has written? I cannot hear you.
Ma'am,
Yes.
it's especially for children.
Yes, very good. She writes stories especially for children. Now, next one, Baja. What were the occupations of the author, Richmal Crompton?
Okay.
What was her occupation, or as she was popular as what?
Novelist,
Yes, she was popular as a novelist,
English writer,
writer, and then short story writer, novelist, and teacher. She was a teacher. She started her career as a teacher. Okay. Then later on, she moved into writing. So she wrote from the children's point of view, and that is why we find the character William in almost all her works. Gopika C. Kumar.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me, who are the main characters in the story?
Ginger, William, Henry, and Douglas.
Yes. Ginger, Henry, William, and Douglas. Who is the gang? Who is the gang leader?
William.
Yes. William is the gang leader. All right. Aaron?
Yes, ma'am.
Which was the first book written in the series of the 39 books written by Richmal Crompton?
Just William.
Yes, very good. Just William is regarded as the first book written in the series of 39 books by Crompton. Okay. So children, is it clear to you about the author?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So we are going to wind up the session. In the next class, we will start with the explanation. So those who have the textbook, please read and come. Okay. Read the chapter.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Next session. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.